Came back from a trip from Chile where I was skiing for a month. Have a few packages here for video review. Oh, this is one of these dash cams from LINGDU. I'm gonna do the unboxing for this one later today in a car, and we'll see how it goes. Let me see if it has any information here. Enjoy your smart driving, 3-inch screen, 5G Wi-Fi, and GPS. So we'll try it later. So I'm gonna try this LINGDU dash cam just as a test in this car. This is not mine, so this is not gonna be its permanent home, but we'll do a little demo about an installation here. Let's see what's in the box. Camera and some wires. Here's the camera. Remove before recording, obviously. Only use the memory card in U3 speed. Other cars may have compatibility issues. Format the memory card in the dash cam before the first time of use. Set the time zone before first use, date, time, and always connect to the power when using so it doesn't go off while you're recording. Do not rotate to remove the GPS mount. The rotating structural part is only used to adjust this angle. So a little bit of a specific instructions there. All the wires here. This is the back camera. I just know by experience now because I have installed a few of these already. There it is. So this goes in the back. Has these little pads to attach it to the windshield. Here's the little mount. So this is what they were talking about. You put it on in here. This is the pad where you will put it in the windshield, and this slides in here, so it goes like that. This is the typical little tool to hide the wire in the panels, like around there if we were to install it permanently. A 12-volt USB adapter, and this is a little screen that you can put in the windshield to attach it better. So let me turn on this car so we can get some AC too. It's getting hot here in Miami. So this is the back camera. This is the front. Let's unwrap this. So this one will go here in the 12-volt outlet. It's there. Let's remove these protection films. We're gonna do again. This is a partial installation. This is not permanent because this is not my car. This belongs to Honda. So here we'll set. Oh, let's take this one too. We can put it back later, maybe. Language, English. Let's see, maybe you can put here. Time zone. Yeah, where's where we are. User of the time there. Month. What month is it? Format car. Yes. CD card format in process. So successful. So it seems like it's ready now. For the installation, you will hide the wires under here. I don't even need the tool. Look at how big of a gap there's in here. It's almost too big of a gap. See how easy it goes in. So you get the idea. Pretty easy. So you won't see much wire after you put it on. So again, just for demonstration purposes, the camera will go there. Video resolution 3 minutes, recording 1 minute. Here you can set how long you want to record. There you go. So it's on now. Let's put it there. Oh yeah, it's recording, I can tell. We're gonna download the footage. So these cameras are becoming more popular because of
A lot of different issues on the road, a lot of insurance crime, like people fake accidents to put a claim to the insurance companies. But just in general, people use them as a safety measure, just to have evidence of what's going on. So it's a good idea to have them. We're gonna see how clear the image is with the sun coming ahead. Let's clean up the windshield a little bit. And I'm gonna connect the back camera and put it all the way there, just again as a little demonstration. But the installation is easy. Running the wires through the panels is not that difficult. I've done it in many different cars, and it can be done in about 10 minutes, I will say 10-15 minutes tops. And as you can see, the operation of the camera is super simple. If you're more patient than me, you will read the instructions, but again, I have experience with this. I've done a few of them, so I know how they work. So as you can see, the camera gives you the speed here. This is a very short demonstration, and we have the back camera too now running. We'll see how the footage comes out. And the only part you're missing in this demo is the running of the wires through the panels of the doors, which is super easy. Again, I cannot do it on this car because this is not mine, this is not permanent. So there you have it, a quick demo on this LINGDU dash cam, and we will find a permanent home for it. So for now, that's it. So for example, here you see a lot of pedestrian traffic, like a kid who has no idea what he's doing, poking his nose and sitting in the middle of the street. So that will be our evidence that he was not paying attention if we had an accident.